I have, here's a hoe, a dig thing. That one's got the three little things and the other like a chisel type. And this is not a lightweight hand. As we unpack the unit, you get a set of gloves and they're universal for your hands. This is made of nice hard steel. Got a nice look to it. And we're gonna go see if we could chisel a brick. I do a lot of gardening. This is what it's good for, so I could get in there, dig around, right? I got a brick here, and they show you taking this and chipping the brick right in half. Man, that is strong, and it really does the job. But all seriousness, if I need to sew some things and get things fixed up here, I can do so, and I could clean things up. And that's what this is here for. I could dig a hole and plant more things. This hoe tiller, about 2.5 by 15 inches, 20 some odd ounces, heavy duty. This is the large one, rust proof. Man, this ZOG, it's awesome. It chopped that brick, give a good hard solid bang to it. It's not hollow, it's got a nice, it's almost hollow as you can see right there, but it's very heavy duty with a nice handle, a nice feel, and all that good stuff. So you could sow your weeds, get everything all cleaned up for your gardening work, take it camping, do whatever you want. Man, this thing chopped right through that brick like it was not butter, but almost like butter. I hope you enjoy the product if this is what you are looking for. Thank you very much for viewing.